I want to do at least 2 hours. I'm nervous, so I have to drink just a little bit. What glass does this make? Alcohol. What was the question? Maybe 4th or 5th sip of bottle? Say it now. Say it now. Now. Meow. 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 Meow 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 meow. Meow 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 meow. Meow 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 meow. Actually, you're wrong. It's not actually. Firmly grasp it. Don't speak to me like this if you're intending to flirt with me. Oh. Oh my goodness. It's huge. Whoa. It's so big. Ah! Ah! Yeah! Ah! So this goes here. You guys ever played chess? Ever played a chess? Ever touched a chess? You want to touch a chess? I'm like watching how I play this game through my OBS and not in the screen itself. Oh! Wow! Wow, wow, wow. How many fingers am I holding up? And guess how many's going in here? Cheese, 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 cheese. What?
Sculpt.
You're
Please
mental.
provide a comprehensive, rational explanation in your post-procedural survey. Completed surveys may be eligible for a gift card.
Blah, 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 blah. I don't even know what you're saying. You're saying so much stuff. Yay! Me! Me! Yay! Yay! If I look back, will I see my ass? Fuck, I can't. You all want cheese. You want cheese. Cheese. Ah, excuse me. I'm burping. You can't hear it though. Freaks. Because my burps are just hiccups. Not for free. Wow, 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 wow. I didn't ask. You were thinking of it, right? Ah! That's a bit freaky taste, no? I want baking soda. Was that even? Are you sure this is baking soda? Man, why are you always trying to cuck me from my dream can of soda? Why don't they give me my soda? They never give me my only soda. They never ask me. Nobody ever listens to me. You give me my. They hate you. They hate me. Ojou-sama. 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 Ho 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 ho. Ojou-sama. Here's what I think is for the greater good. And that is my speech. Yes. Vote for me.
Emergency exit signs that should lead you to them. Will all of this work?
You don't know.
Absolutely.
You don't know anything. Your head is empty. There's nothing in it. There's nothing in it. There's nothing in it. There's nothing in there Maybe a little tumbleweed. Yeah. I was almost scared. Yeah, you want... You're such a clingy dog. What are you doing here? Want a hug? You're so clingy. What's that on your... What is this? Your dog? What is this? Is this your fur, your dog? Yeah, yeah. Here's a good boy. Here's a good boy. Your head's far. I wanna pet your small head. You have such a small head for a big dog. Why is your head so small? It's because there's nothing in it. Oh, cute dog. Oh, cute dog. Yeah. I thought she's going
Misunderstanding of all other solutions, all of which are far more traumatic.
Let's make it beat. Jackie! Quack! Okay, quack, 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 quack. Chat, I'm lost. I don't know what this all means. Wow. Meow. Wow.